I'm going to show you how to fix the issue on YouTube where your search history is not showing. Now, the first thing we need to do is open up your preferred browser, ideally the one that is logged in to your YouTube account. And what we want to do is go to myaccount.google. So if you just type in myaccount.google into Google and then click on the top option. Alternatively, you could just write the URL out if you want. Once here on the left, you'll be given lots of different options. What we need to do is select data and privacy. And then under personalization and activity, we can see YouTube history here. So we want to click that. On the next screen, you'll have a couple of different options, including auto deletion of history. But what we want to do is click saving your YouTube history, which is the top option here. From here, we can now actually turn off our YouTube history or turn it back on. So for me, it's turn off, but for you, you can just click it to turn it on. And also you can have a fiddle around with the sub settings here, including the auto deletion that we spoke of earlier. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.